With various ways to customize your management system, Trello gives you the opportunity to make your customer relationship management system work for you by offering various ways to display your pipeline. Table view can be used to provide a clear view into all the work happening across your lists on a single board. Table makes it easy for teams to collaborate, align, and deliver work with the ability to see cards or tasks in a compact, manageable table format alongside crucial information like lists, labels, members, and due dates. Calendar view helps your team stay on top of the work by giving a time dimension to your projects. Calendar helps you anticipate any roadblocks, events, or deadlines to take your team smoothly to the finish line. Timeline view is a tactile view of how the team's work fits together. Build a powerful yet easy to use timeline for any project you're working on. The timeline view works really well in your Trello app, so you can keep track of and update dates from anywhere. With the dashboard view, you can create the charts that your team needs to identify any roadblock or highlight any win that will turn your project into a successful one. Visualize key metrics like due dates, assigned cards, and cards per list to keep stakeholders aligned and confidence running high. With historical data and different chart types, create the dashboard that will put your team on the pole position. Managing project roadblocks and easily accessing cards that stay in a list for too long helps when analyzing the health of your sales pipeline, recruiting pipeline, or any workflow that needs to constantly move forward. Many projects involve more than just tasks and due dates. They involve places. To make sure your team has all the elements they need to make wise decisions, you can add locations to cards and view all those locations in one single place, the map view. Map view is great for planning in-person meetings, mapping out location resources, and managing pipelines with physical items, rental listings, and extra context. Location-based projects or services become even more useful when you're on the go, and you can save time by having all relevant information about your client easily accessible. To ensure each Trello card clearly communicates each task's requirements, use the checklist. Create a checklist on the card. You'll only have to create it once, and then you'll be able to copy cards with the checklist or copy just the checklist to other cards. When looking at the whole board, you'll see a count of the items checked off each checklist. When you've completed all the listed items, the count will go green, which is a great visual indicator that you've completed everything in the funnel stage for that lead. Use the card attachments to relevant documents or link Google Drive or Dropbox folders complete with document previews and notes about when they were last edited.